Thank you, Kavita, for that. The market's trading in a range bound as we speak. Gave off all the morning Q gains there, up nearly 0.2% at this point in time with a premium of 60 and open interest addition of nearly 1.6%. So some shorts getting built in this market as we speak there. Nifty Bank again, it was, lower. And trading lower because of the shorts that's getting built across the board with open interest up nearly 1.33% there. Look at the constituents of Nifty Bank. You'll see across the board there is private sector or public sector. There is an shorts which are getting built up, except for Bandhan Bank where we are seeing a long build up, or a Federal Bank where we are seeing a short covering. It's across the board short build up for the banking pack there. Look at what's happening in call and put writing. You will see that 24,000 been aggressively adding on open interest from the call writers there. 23,600 is also seeing some good interest in terms of call writing from a open interest point of view. And if you look at the distribution chart, it gives you a good sense of where the resistance is going to come in from. At this point in time, 26,700 seems to be some kind of resistance which is there, with call and put writers having almost equal open interest positions there. We're going to see some shift happening towards the end of the day when the rollover happens to the June 9th series there. But future gainers, we're seeing IT being the sector of the day. Persistent, Infi, Coforge all up nearly 4% in today's trade. In the losers, you have Inos Wing on the back of disappointing numbers, down 7%. GBT and D, that's down nearly 4%, and Suzlon is down nearly 4% in today's trade. Open interest gainers include IREDA. We're seeing 6.5% jump in open interest for that. Alchem is seeing a 5.7% jump in open interest on the back of short build-up, and BDL continues to see some short build-up, open interest up nearly 5.5%. Losers in open interest today is Hitachi, where we are seeing a long unwinding. HCL Tech is seeing a short covering, and GVTND is seeing long unwind, which is happening there. Asian Paints 2800 June call, the premium of nearly 1.65 to 44.6, 35,000 contracts added. The stock hovering around the 27-21 mark there. Infi 1200 is also seeing a good aggressive addition in open. 4 lakh contracts added. The premium of 20.5 to 45.45. The stock hovering just about the 1200 mark as we speak. And in the put, you have Interglobe 4000 June put, where the premium is down nearly 28.2 to 17.9. The stock hovering around 4500 level, with for 4000 and 4400 put being the most active at this point in time. So the market is hovering on a narrow band, currently positive, the Nifty, but we're going to see some interesting moves in the next 2 hours.
Sajid, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. But